Welcome to Cooking with Rod. I got a great recipe for you today, so here we go. This sweet cornbread is soft, tender, and perfectly moist thanks to sour cream and butter. It comes together in minutes and bakes up golden and fluffy. The perfect side dish for chili, soups, barbecue, or any comfort meal. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to make classic homemade sweet cornbread using simple pantry ingredients. No mixer required. Ready in under 30 minutes. Okay, you want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 degrees Celsius. We're gonna lightly grease an 8-inch square baking dish. In a large bowl, we're going to combine our flour, cornmeal, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Then we're going to whisk that together until well combined. So in a small bowl, we're going to mix the egg, the sour cream, the milk, and the melted butter. We're gonna whisk that up till well combined. And we're gonna add our wet ingredients to the dry. Gently fold that together, do not overmix. We're gonna pour our batter into our prepared baking dish. Then we're gonna smooth the top out with a spatula. We're gonna place it in our preheated oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. We're going to remove that from the oven and let it cool slightly before we slice her up. Alright, some chef notes. Do not overmix. Fold just until combined for tender cornbread. Sour cream is the key for moisture and richness. Serve warm with butter, honey, or chili. Can be baked in a cast iron skillet for an extra crispy crust. So there you have it, sweet cornbread. Enjoy. Alright, thanks for watching Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts and instructions on how to make this recipe will be down below in the description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends.